Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives with another impromptu master class. Chickens are like children. I can't get anything done without hearing some shenanigans going on. So constantly looking for hawks, and also the sounds that these chickens make when there's a conflict. So let me go back in here and see what's going on, because I'm hearing some crockadoodle doing. It just ain't right. Go back here. Can't get anything done, of course. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. See what's going on back here. See what. Y'all doing okay? Huh? You doing okay back here? Where's Earl at? Earl! Where's Earl? Pablo, where's Earl? What? Dorothy, where's Earl? Jermaine's, where's Earl? Rooster Earl, where are you? See? You seen Earl? Huh? Jake, you seen Earl? Now they want to get it together. Earl, where are you? Where's Harold? Where? What the? Harold, where is Earl? You don't know. Lisa, where's Earl? Earl! I know they're not gonna worry me. Can't get any work done without y'all acting a fool. James, don't go. Shut up, Harold. Earl, go back inside. Earl, you in here? Huh? Dorothy, you seen Earl? Got an egg for me? You got an egg? Ah! Say you again. Look what you done. Oh, rent is due. I don't want to hear that. Rent is due. Don't you give me that. You know what? You get you. Oh. There's a hand that feeds you. Bite it again. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Ah! You got me. You got me. I'm going to get my rent. Give me my rent. Where's it at? Oh, all right, fine. Be like that. Earl! Rooster Earl! Where is Earl? Don't you give me that. Look at that. It make no sense, y'all. We're looking for Rooster Earl. Let's ask Marcus. Marcus, come here. Marcus, where's Earl? Marcus. They are not listening today. Huh. Earl! Live from Ophelia's. Oh. Go. Hey, you seen Earl? Where's Earl at? Have you seen Rooster Earl? Huh? Elwood, have you seen Earl? Fine. Elwood hasn't seen Earl. Live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, looking for Rooster Earl, who was making some commotion and missing. Somewhere. So, the Vine Street Pampered Hens are out free ranging today. And let me see if Lisa's seen Earl. Lisa, where's Earl? You seen Earl? Where's Rooster Earl at? Over here? Where? Hey, where? She said he's inside. All right, let me go see. I speak fluent Chickenese. Elwood, where is Rooster Earl? Elwood, where's Rooster Earl? I know Earl did not sneak in the greenhouse, did he? Earl, you go in here. Earl! Continuing to look for Rooster Earl. He's got to be around here somewhere. Huh. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? You guys need to clean all of this up. Y'all are doing way too much. You get back here, Mr. Moran. You get back here. Go find Earl. Earl! Shut up, Harold. I'm looking for Earl. Live from the vine. Pablo, stop playing. Pablo, yeah, you better run, Pablo. Pablo's messing with the chicken. I do not see where Earl went. Let's go back over here. Live from Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Don't forget to visit my website. Of course, you can get your fresh, organic, locally produced eggs delivered through DoorDash. Go to the app now and go to the app now and order. I'll pull one out, and if I can get one in there, pull one out, show you. Oh, so I can get, again, get them fresh. Get them fresh. There we go. Get them fresh. Look at that. That's right. Packaged today. Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Fresh, local eggs. That's the Freedom Dozen. The Freedom Dozen. Right there. See if we can find Rooster Earl. Can't get any work done because these chickens don't know how to act when they get on the vine. I don't blame them. They listen to that jazz spirit down here and they get the steeba beeba beeda doo doo boom 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 jam. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, in the Jazz District where it lives, another impromptu master class. Hopefully I can find. Hey, I'm looking for Earl. Y'all seen Earl? Where's Earl at? Taking a dust bath. Don't mind me. Get it clean. Get it clean. Don't mind me. Don't want to scare you out. Where's Earl? Huh? Harold is upset with me because I had to put some special spray on his bottom to prevent pecking. And so Rooster Harold's gonna run from me. Watch this. Harold, give me that bottom. Come here. Don't you run from me, Harold. Don't you run from me, Harold. Harold, you get back here. Harold. Oh man, let me get off of here. I'm gonna continue to look for Rooster Earl, who is he's free ranging somewhere. So this will be to be continued.